We're at the beach and we're here at first light. Sun is not up yet. Phil and Basil are going to catch some bait fish so that we can get a fishing going on here. Sorry the folks, it's not perfect. It's dark. We got all our stuff. Oh yeah, it's about to get silly. And we've got, of course, I have a cup of coffee. Booyah. It's gorgeous. Gorgeous. Oh yeah. It's gonna be a phenomenal day. Anytime you're at the beach and you got your pole in the water before the sun even comes up, you're living the dream. He thinks he already has one. It's hard to see though because it's dark. Is there a lot of seaweed in the water again? Damn it, dude. Well, the good news is the waves aren't so big. Maybe we'll be alright. I'm gonna throw it out there. Seaweed in the water can kill the fishing though. If it's too much. The beach said there'd been a lot of seaweed. We couldn't do it, man. The beach was just, the seaweed was dragging our line down. We were losing rigs. It was, today the seaweed killed us. The fish were like crazy. We caught a freaking sand shark, and then we caught a bluefish. But then after that, it was just like the lines were just getting dragged down by the seaweed. Yeah, it was a nightmare. So we came over to the river. There on the internet there's a pier at this park and you go out on, there's people fishing. Well, the pier's over there and it's gone pretty much. Must have been Hurricane Irma or maybe the year before, I forget what it was called, Mitchell or something, I don't know. Anyways, we're here fishing right from the shoreline, so we'll see if we get anything. Kids are having fun playing